Hello friends, welcome all. So coming to the Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures, it is clearly making higher highs. So this is the previous resistance, it's got broken. Again previous resistance got broken. So it is clearly making higher highs. So as per the Dow theory, when stock or any financial instrument is making higher high means it is said to be in uptrend. So in a broader context, Dow Jones Industrial Average in uptrend. With that context, I have selected one beautiful stock and I have picked this stock because it's very interesting. Coming to the price action, and recent swing low was like 1.8 level, which is happened in June 2022, and again it is came to that level, it's respected. But recently what happened in October, it's break down that support. But if we observe the price action alone, breakdown happened, but immediately buyer's response was very strong. So if we combine these two candles, that is said to be bullish harami candles. Okay, so the psychology part or logical part, the bullish harami candle indicating that sellers got trapped. In this case, sellers got trapped. Okay, the stock breakout happened at 3.13 level and slowly it is moving to the higher highs, means upside. So it is in trending, in trending mode right now. So coming to the resistance levels, see this level is very important level. Why it is very important? Previous structurally it has taken the resistance at 7.73. Again it came to that level. Right now it is about to break out that level. So two things can happen at this resistance level. Either it's get rejected or it can break out that to 7.75 level. So in that case, if the breakout happened means we can see the next target is, we can expect the next target would be 13.35 and the next immediate target will be 20.1. Okay, in this case I'm expecting a breakout to happen. Okay, if sellers response is very strong at these levels, definitely we would see sort of pullback before the breakout. Okay, so in that case it will take small pause and again there is a chance to break out 7.75 level. Overall the stock is at interesting level. Okay, so if you are looking for a breakout stock, definitely try to keep this stock into your watch list. Again, it's not a recommendation and this is very good stocks. If it takes the pullback, try to use the Fibonacci to find the potential reversal points. In this case, let's say the stock was unable to break out this level. If it comes to back, and definitely 50% and 61.8 levels is a great dip buy opportunity. So try to focus on that levels too. Okay, hope video informative. Okay, so please consider subscribe our channel friends if you're not yet subscribed. Stay tuned. Thank you.